Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 3, OV 45. असो टाळोनी भवरे खडक, सागरी नावा चालावया तडक, म्हणोनी जैसे लाल भडक, दीप निदर्शक लाविती. So be it. Just as a boy with red lights is anchored in the sea to guide the movement of ships by warning them to keep off the rocks and whirlpools, तैशाची साईनाथांच्या कथा ज्या गोडीने हिणवितील अमृता, भवसागरीचे दुस्तर पंथा अतिसुतरता आणीतील. So will the tales of Sai, which in their sweetness put even the nectar in the shade, navigate us safely and will smoothen the difficult paths of the ocean of existence. धन्य धन्य या संत कथा श्रवणद्वारे अंतरी रिघता, बाहेर निघे देहाभिमानता द्वंद्ववार्ता नुरेची. Blessed are the tales of the saints that penetrate into the consciousness through the ears and cleanse the bodily ego and destroy the sense of duality. जवजव यांचा हृदयी साठा, तव तव विकल्प पळे बारा वाटा, ज्ञान संचय होय लाठा, उतरे ताठा देहाचा. As more and more of these tales are stored in your heart, the doubts run helter-skelter, and when the store of spiritual knowledge grows, your identification with the body diminishes. बाबांच्या शुद्ध यशाचे वर्णन, प्रेमे तयाचे श्रवण, होईल भक्त कश्मल दहन, सोपे साधन परमार्था. To describe Baba's pure fame and to listen to it with all your heart will burn away the sins of the devotees. This makes for easy attainment of salvation. मायातीत ब्रह्मकाय, काय तत्तरणार्थ उपाय, कर्म धर्म चरणे हरि हा प्रिय, कैसेनी होय निज भक्ता. What is the nature of Brahma, which is beyond illusion? And what are the means to conquer that illusion? God favors His devotees who lead virtuous and pious lives. How else is it possible for His devotees? आत्यंतिक क्षेमते काय, भक्ति मुक्ति विरक्ति काय, वर्णाश्रम धम वस्तु अद्वय, इत्यादि विषय अति गूढ़. What is perfect bliss? Devotion, deliverance and detachment. What are they? All things belonging to the fourfold varnas and to the fourfold ashrams are one. These subjects are very abstruse. एतदर्थ जयांते गोडी, तयांनी पूर्वाया निज आवडी, ज्ञानोबा एकनाथाधिकृत ग्रंथ परवडी, सुख निरवडी सेवावी. Those who are interested in these subjects should fulfill their desires by studying the works of Jnaneshwar, Eknath and others and enjoy them happily. कृतयुगी शमदम, त्रेती यजन द्वापारी पूजन, कलियुगी नाम कथा कीर्तन, स्वल्प साधन परमार्था. In the Krita Yuga, it was controlling the senses and subduing of passions. In Treta Yuga, sacrifices. In Dwapar, rituals, and in Kali Yuga, reciting the name and singing the praises, a simple means of salvation. ब्राह्मणादि चारी वर्ण सर्वांसी साधन गुरुकथा श्रवण असो स्त्री शूद्र वा जातिहीन हे एक साधन सकळा ते. Listening to the life story of the Guru is the easy road to salvation for the four Varnas like Brahmins and others, including women, Shudras, and even the casteless. असेल जयाचे पुण्यपदरी तोच या कथा श्रवण करी कोणास येतील निद्रा लहरी तया ही श्रीहरी जागविल. Only those who have good deeds to their credit from their past births will listen to these stories. If someone feels sleepy, God will wake him up.